If you are thinking of starting your own business that is highly profitable with low cost, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to see how to start a candy manufacturing business from a room of your house with a very low cost. The market for candies and chocolates in India is growing rapidly because nowadays, not only children but also adults love to eat candies. Yes, this is the reason why there is a constant demand for confectionery products in the FMCG sector. Moreover, due to this, the demand for delicious candies in the market remains unchanged throughout the season. This has increased the opportunity for small entrepreneurs to start a manufacturing business. So if you want to start a small but profitable manufacturing business from home, then in this video we will take a complete look at how you can make candies from home. And before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get more innovative business ideas like this. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Types of candy and market scope. There are many types of candies in the market today, like fruit flavored candy, chocolate candy, mint candy, hard candy, soft jelly candy, toffee and lollipops, and as we said earlier, they are loved by all age groups. Hence, the candy industry is growing rapidly from rural to urban markets. Due to this, the chocolate and sugar candy industry in India is growing at an approximate rate of 12 to 15% every year. According to reliable data, the Indian candy market was estimated at around 550 billion rupees in 2025, and it is expected to reach another 597 billion rupees by 2030. This means that it is a golden opportunity for new manufacturers. So you can start manufacturing from home in different colors and flavors and gradually grow your brand in the market without much risk. So come, let's see it step by step. Step 1. Arrange investment. Friends, if we talk about the investment for this business, if you start a small-scale confectionery manufacturing business from home, the initial investment may be between 2 to 4 lakh rupees, approximately $2,400 to $4,800 in US dollars. Also, if you start a large business, you will need to invest more according to your convenience. However, friends, the prices of the machinery and raw materials used for this confectionery manufacturing business vary from place to place. And therefore, the investment also varies depending on these. Therefore, consulting with business consultants and experts in your town will give you more clarity. Step 2. Select the space for the business. Talking about space, a dedicated kitchen space of at least 100 to 200 square feet is usually sufficient for a home candy making business to store ingredients and package the candies. Or you may need a space of around 1000 to 1500 square feet for a medium to large scale manufacturing factory setup. Also keep in mind that the location should have good road access, water supply, and electricity supply. Step 3. Get licenses and registration. Even if you are starting this confectionery manufacturing business from home, you will need some licenses and permits. First, even if you are running a small home-based unit, it is mandatory to get a basic FSSAI registration, thus ensuring that your product is legally safe. Additionally, you will need to get GST registration, trade license and business name registration so that you can take bulk orders and grow your brand in the future. If you want ISI mark for your candy, then BIS certification has to be taken. Depending on your location, there may be many more permits and licenses that you may need, and you can now easily get these documents by applying online. Step 4. Get ingredients. To make candy, you will need some basic ingredients which are sugar, glucose syrup, edible colors, flavorings like orange, strawberry, mango, mint, etc., citric acid and water. Also, if you want to make chocolate-based candy, you will also need ingredients like cocoa powder and milk or buttermilk powder. You can easily get these ingredients from local wholesale markets or online suppliers like Indiamart, Trade India. Initially, research and find out which flavors have the highest market demand and then start production with a small number of flavors and then scale up. Step 5. Purchase machinery and equipment. There are many types of machinery for candy production, all of which have different prices, and the investment also depends on these. Generally, the essential machinery required to make candy is a manual or semi-automatic machine. a kneading machine, candy molds, a stainless steel cooking pot, a thermometer, a weighing scale, a cooling table, and a wrapping machine. If you are starting small, a basic semi-automatic system will suffice, which you can buy from your nearby machine manufacturers or from online suppliers like Indiamart, Alibaba, and Trade India. So research well and buy the required machinery. Step 6. Start candy production. Now let's see how to make candy at home. The process is simple, but precision is key. First, to get the right taste and texture, it's important to mix the ingredients in the right proportions. In a large stainless steel cooking pot, add sugar and glucose syrup and stir the mixture continuously over low heat until the sugar dissolves well. Now add the seasonings and food coloring and mix everything well. Then let the mixture cool down a little. Then when it cools down completely, cut it into small pieces with your hands or using a candy cutting machine. Now the candies are well packed by hands or through a candy packaging machine and ready to sell. Also, it's very important to carry out this process with proper hygiene and cleanliness to ensure a safe and tasty product. Step 7. Implement the branding and marketing strategy. Visibility is the most important thing in the confectionery industry, so if your packaging is more attractive, then its sales will be better. You can design colorful wrappers with your logo and brand name on them. You can sell your confectionery through local grocery stores, bakery shops, school canteens, and small wholesalers. You can do good online marketing by posting attractive photos and short videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. If your confectionery is branded and has a USP, you can list it on e-commerce platforms. Finally, and most importantly, come up with new and unique flavors as per the market demand. Friends, the candy manufacturing industry is the perfect blend of creativity and taste. If you are looking to start something from home with low investment and high income, then you should definitely try this business. Generally, in the candy business, the profit margin on a packet is around 30 to 40% depending on your packaging quality. A little passion, a little patience, a little hard work. If you have these three, success will come your way. So start small, and as the business grows, you can introduce new flavors, sugar-free candies, and chocolate-coated varieties. A small start will make you a strong candy brand owner. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.